Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to do two-way lookup by using XLOOKUP function. In this example I have a data of products and their quantity sold by different sales representatives. The requirement is to pull the information of sales quantities here in the sheet number 2 for the products given here and for the sales representatives given here. If you notice in the data, the position of the products and the sales representatives are different in both sheets. So in this case we have to do two-way lookup. We have to search this sales representative in the sales representative name of the first sheet, and we have to search the product name in the product name range. So in this case we can use the double XLOOKUP function. So click on this cell, press equal to, type XLOOKUP, open bracket. In the search key, click on this product name. Then lock this column A, because when we copy this formula for other sales representatives, this column A should remain fixed. For this, press F4 key 3 times in the keyboard. That will apply the dollar symbol before column A. Then put a comma. In the lookup range, go to the XLOOKUP sheet. Then select this product name range and lock this whole range by pressing the F4 key 1 time. That will apply the dollar symbols. Then put a comma, and in the result range we have to repeat the XLOOKUP function. So put here XLOOKUP again, then open bracket. In the search key, go to sheet number 2, then click on this first sales representative. Then lock this row number 1, because when we copy this formula down, this row number 1 should remain fixed. For that, press F4 key 2 times in the keyboard. That will apply the dollar symbol before the row number 1 only. Then put a comma. In the lookup range, go to XLOOKUP sheet. Then select this sales representative name range. Then lock this range by pressing the F4 key 1 time. Then put a comma. And in the result range, select this quantity sold range. Then lock this whole range by pressing F4 once. Close the bracket. Close one more bracket for the first XLOOKUP. Then hit enter. Here you see the quantity of fans sold by Emily is given as 28. If you check on the first sheet, the sales of fan sold by Emily is 28. So our formula is working perfectly. Now you can simply use the fill handle to drag the formula down. Again use the fill handle to drag the formula to right. And all the information of sales quantities are pulled from the first sheet to second sheet. So this is how you can perform two-way lookup by using the double XLOOKUP function. Thank you very much for watching this video.